So on that journey, is there anything that you would want to do all over again if you can do it again and do it differently?
Oh, come on. Everybody always want to go back and change things. And I
Yeah.
could, but if I change anything, this is not Avengers, but you can
Mm.
change the past and nothing changes into the future.
Mhm.
You really, really, uh, you really have to embrace what you are. Of course, there are things that I would like to be different, that I would like to have been less painful.
Mm.
But without the pain, it's just a movie. It's only in the movies that you can see that you have a pain and then everything gets better and then everybody's happy. No, you have to be responsible for your dreams, and you have to be responsible for the path you take to get to make your dreams come true. So no, I wouldn't change a thing, even though if I know that there are things that maybe were judged, or maybe I could have done better. But if I would have done better, I wouldn't learn what I've learned.
Mm.
So no, I wouldn't change. I wouldn't change a thing at all.